Hello everyone, my name is Shai. Today I'm checking out Hua Hua once again with Light the Bonfire at the end of the Milky Way. I already watched Growing Up toward... God, what was the other song? Excuse me. Because I am terrible with remembering names. Growing Towards the Sun. That's the song. Growing Towards the Sun. And apparently this is like kind of like the pair to this one. So, I cannot wait to see this. Also, I am very much aware that Hua Hua did have his 2023 concert. I think, and I say I think, I finished reacting to all his videos from 2022. So hopefully I can get to 2023. Hopefully. But anyway, again, I do apologize if this angle is a bit awkward. This is honestly, out of the room that I have and this little room that I have, this is probably the best spot that I can think of with this one. So I hope you guys don't mind, and I hope that it is okay. I am very excited because I was told this was a very joyful song, and this is a fan cam, so I'm very excited to see this in its immaculate beauty, more or less. So without further ado, this is Hua Chenyu. Let me just fix. Oh gosh, let me fix myself. This is Hua Chenyu with Light the Bonfire at the end of the Milky Way. Here we go. I do apologize, I'm a bit sick. Oh, I missed that. I missed that, the little fan interactions. Oh, jealous. Yo, whoever took his fan cam, bless you. Judging by the cameras, I assume this is maybe a performance for an award show or something. And the ads too. It's definitely some kind of show, maybe? Or am I wrong? I really miss this carefree Hua Hua. Ah, it must be the New Year's. Ah. Must have been the New Year performance. That's awesome. Bless the fan though who took the fan cam. Honestly, if I could take videos of the concerts that I went to, I would have to find a way to mute my voice because I would be like the girl who took this video. I do apologize for coughing in the middle of it. I am still a bit sick. But yo, I would use this song to start my mornings, to be fair. Like, I wake up early, and like if I could listen to this song just to start my day, I would be up and energized, probably more than usual, just because I could just like, this is a fun song. It's been a while, I think, for me personally, to react to a fun kind of carefree, what is that? Carefree Hua Hua. It's been a while, I think. Big emphasis on I think. Because to see him smiling and just dancing around, just, you know, holding people's hands and just having the time of his life, it's been a while. It's kind of a more brighter song than I have seen in a long time. So I'm very happy with this song. And bless the girl who took this video because I love it. You know, honestly, this really was a joyful song. This is really a song you want to get up and dance to. This is the one, and it made me realize how much I missed hearing like the audience kind of like go along with Hua Hua. Because obviously I did watch the 2022 concert, and it was, you know, when there was pretty strict COVID restrictions then. So yeah, we didn't really have an audience. So it made me realize how empty it kind of felt. And just hearing this made me realize, this is what a Hua Hua concert should be like. It's not really a concert, it's obviously a performance on like the New Year's Day, I think. So, but either way, a Hua Hua performance is always fun. It's always fun to see. And for me personally, like I think I mentioned in the previous video, like I've seen him from the kind of the start of like kind of the dark period. I don't know what else to call it. I do apologize if that's kind of insensitive. But that kind of like dark period toward, and then him coming into that like brighter, happier kind of era. Like, it's really strange for me to see that because like for me with artists, I can't really tell. Like, there isn't really an artist that I listen to where I can tell that their music has been affected by something in their life. Like, they have that period. Or I just have not been paying attention much. But regardless, you know, Hua Hua is that kind of artist for me. And regardless, you know, he always does good music. And, you know, to know that it's from personal experience is just very interesting for me. I think I mentioned this a long time ago, like back in the beginning days of when I first started watching Hua Hua. It's like, he's one of the more unique artists that I listen to or like react to and listen to. Mainly because like a lot of his songs do come from like personal experiences, more or less, or he can channel his personal experiences into covers, and it's very interesting for me. And nonetheless, I am very excited to see more from Hua Hua, and cannot wait to react to more from Hua Hua. So yeah, hopefully this angle still isn't a bit awkward. Obviously I still have to get used to it, still have to figure out my planning and everything and all that stuff, but regardless, hopefully you guys enjoy this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.